Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to SC Reefer. Today I'm going to go over my equipment that I got from BRS. These are two media reactors. I'm just going to be putting together, I'm going to be using this one for carbon and this one for carbon. But basically this is going to be a backup. So say this one's on. When I'm finished with it, I take it out, I put this one right in, boom, takes 2 seconds. And that's going to be super easy with these quick release connects that I purchased. They go like that, press the button and they come apart. They're going to be on each one here so they can connect easily. So I just want to go over what you guys how to hook this up. So basically, these are called stem adapters. I purchased these at bulk reef supply. You just slip them right in. Slip the other one in here. I also bought these clips. I'm all about safety, so these clips here prevent these stem adapters from coming out. So if you pull out a little bit, it makes a little gap there, and you just slip those in like that. And you do the other one to the other side, because we don't want this coming out, believe me. It'll be a mess. Safety first here. So just clip it in. That one's completed. And the same thing for this one. Put it in, pull it out just a little bit, makes a little gap there, snap the clip in, same thing here, snap the clip in. Alright, so now these are all set. We never have to worry about these stem adapters coming out. The next thing I purchased, like I said, were these quick release. So I'm going to have one on each inlet and outlet. So I could just press the button, comes out, put the new one on, push it back in, it's done. I mean, simple and easy. These things are pretty expensive. 4 of them came to $100 on bulk reef supply. I also bought these clips. So I bought this hose as well. This flex tube. It's black, and I bought this, I think it was 25 feet on Marine Depot, and it's 1/2 inch. So basically, I'm going to clip these on just to be 100% sure. Again, this will go on here like this. I'll put this on here, squeeze the clamp together like that, and it real tight, and I'll hold it on. Never have to worry about it coming out of place. So, just for extra added safety as well. So I'm going to start hooking this all up, so hang tight. Alright guys, I cut 4 pieces of tubing. I'm just going to start connecting these just to show you how easy it is. Put that on there. Take this here, put it on. And we're going to squeeze this as tight as we can go. That thing is not going anywhere. Look at that. See these clips? Not going anywhere. So let's put the other one on here. Put one on this side. Get your pliers. That's it. That is on there. That's not going anywhere. So you got your stem adapter, you got your little clip here to make sure the stem adapter doesn't come out. You have these little clips here to make sure it holds the tube on tightly, and that's it. Alright guys, this is what it looks like completed. I got all 4 on. Everything looks good. So basically these snap on here. These will snap on here. These 2 here I'm going to use for another reactor I have. Since I'm using these both for carbon, this here will be, attached to the manifold. So once I press these buttons, I just switch it out and put this one on. So I mean, I can change this thing in less than a minute. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to hook this up now to the manifold. So I just want to show you how simple these things are to click on and off, man. These are worth every single penny in my book. I mean, it makes things so simple. But stand tight. We're going to do the, I'm going to have to basically run another tube from this one to this is the manifold, running to this. So then it'll connect, you know, like that. So let's do that now. Hey guys, before I hook this up to the manifold, I just wanted to show you how to fill this up with carbon. I use this carbon from Bulk Reef Supply. So it's 1 tablespoon for every 10 gallons. So my tank is 180 gallons, so I got to use 18 tablespoons. So basically you spin this off, it's fairly easy. We'll take this tube out, take the top off. There's actually 2 pieces here. This slides into here like this, and then the cap goes back on. So the most important thing about this is make sure it's packed in here tightly, because you don't want it tumbling around, because then it could disintegrate and it's not good. So since my wife is not home, I'm going to use her tablespoon. So I'm going to use 18 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, there we are, 18. Make sure you pack it down. And then I have 2 of these filter little pad things on the bottom, and I'm going to put these other 2 I have on the top. Like I said, make sure it's packed in there tightly. You don't want it tumbling around. Put your lid on. That's basically it. It is as quick as that. That's what it looks like. That's not going to go anywhere. Put it back in the canister. Make sure, it's hard to see this in here, but this has actually a rubber ring, and it actually falls out. So when I first purchased this, I didn't see this thing fall out. When I put this top on and I turned it on, it started leaking everywhere. So make sure you always have this ring in place here and don't ever lose it. And that's basically it. We're gonna pop this back in. It seals up against here. You can see there's a little ring. It's like a little rubbery. And you just put this back on. Do a hand tight. You don't have to worry about tightening it too much. Hand tight is sufficient. And that's it. So now I'm going to hook it up to the manifold. Like I said, I'm going to use this one for carbon as well. I just click the buttons, boom, put this one on, done. So I'm all about quickness. All right, guys, hold tight. All right, guys, so I got it all hooked up. This is what it looks like. I got it connected to the manifold. So the flow comes down from the manifold. As you can see, the flow arrow. Back up, and then it goes across, if you see the black line back there, into my return and my sump. That's basically it. Let me show you how quick this thing is to change out. So I have another carbon ready to go right here, which I'll always have one on hand, just ready to go. You just basically, let me just get this camera set up. There you go. Press the button, take it off. What's nice about these, they don't leak, so you don't have to worry about water coming out. Put the other one in. Snap it in, and you're done. That's how quick it is. So, yeah, that's it, guys. If you like, give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments. If you think it looks good, let me know. If you think there's something that could be changed, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. And that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.